Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where we turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary places. Today, I've got a game changer for you, a simple yet effective way to transform your room and make it feel like you're floating on cloud 9. Yep, I'm talking about the power of curtains. First things first, let's bid adieu to those old curtains that have been bringing down the vibe in your room. Grab your stepladder, a screwdriver, and let's go. Remember to wash the new curtains in the meantime while putting up the new rails. For the rails I'm installing here, they are heavy-duty curtain rails so that they will support the weight of the heavier new curtains. These will need to be fixed at a height of 2.5 meters so the curtains reach floor to ceiling. The old curtains are history. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, introducing the new curtains that will make your room feel so much taller and more spacious. When choosing your new curtains, aim for light and airy fabrics that allow natural light to flood in. This will work wonders in creating a sense of openness. Plus, don't be afraid to explore playful patterns that can add flair and personality to your space. Measure the length of the wall so you know how much of the curtain rail needs to be cut off. Once the rail is cut down to size, make sure to add or take out any extra gliders, and don't forget to place back the end caps. Now comes the secret sauce. Instead of completely drying them, leave your curtains slightly damp. We're talking about that perfect moisture level, right when you squeeze them and they don't drip. Don't worry, it won't make your room feel like a swamp. You'll be amazed at how well this works. For the most daunting part of this all is the placement of the hooks into the curtains. Just be sure to keep even spaces between them. And don't forget to adjust the height levels on each one, otherwise you will have a messy looking curtain. Look at this beauty. It's like a breath of fresh air. Just imagine how it will instantly elevate your room and make the ceiling appear higher. I'm excited just thinking about it. Installing a curtain rail might sound intimidating, but fret not, my friends. It's as easy as pie. Measure and mark the perfect height, fix those brackets securely, and attach the rail. Just like that, we're on our way to curtain paradise. And there you have it, folks. A simple yet powerful DIY hack to transform your room and make it feel higher. These curtains are like visual magicians, taking your ordinary space to extraordinary heights. It's incredible how such a small change can have such a massive impact. Thank you for joining me on this curtain adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more life-changing DIY tips. Until next time, my friends, keep dreaming and keep crafting.